Welcome back to the channel. Eric here from Chaves Auto Detailing. I almost messed that up here. With my brother Andy, right there. You're probably wondering, why is his eyes covered up with microfiber rigs? Because to do a little challenge here, and we're gonna wash this Honda Civic, not we, he's gonna wash that Honda Civic blindfolded.
I don't even know where I am right now.
We're gonna spin this bugger around a couple times. We need you to spin. Spin, spin, and now he's gonna wash it. It's gonna be a very basic wash.
What are the rules?
Rules are, I'm gonna help you if you're gonna trip.
Yeah.
If you're spraying something you shouldn't be spraying, I'm gonna let you keep spraying it unless it's electricity.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
But if you're gonna fall, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna move stuff. I'm gonna turn on the pressure washer, turn it off for you.
And then buckets, you're gonna be
just buckets. I'm gonna move the buckets for you.
And I'm gonna try as hard as I can. Where is the car?
This is great. So I'm gonna turn the pressure washer on now, and you're gonna get to it. All right, man.
Ready?
Start the challenge. Go.
Take it here. I'm doing the back fender. Yep, I'm hitting it. I don't know where I am, bro. Where's the car? This is harder than it looks. Am I gonna hit anything?
No, man. You're good. Keep walking.
I was just touching the car, no?
Put your hand out further. No, okay, that works. Sure.
Am I good?
While this guy is trying to rinse that, this is a good time to tell you, you can like and subscribe to this video in our YouTube channel. That would be greatly appreciated.
We'll keep doing challenges like this.
If you could come up with some funny challenges, we'll try to do it.
Here's something. Is the camera on me?
Yeah.
A lot of detailers make this mistake. You always want to do your door jams first. Okay? You always want to, is it off? Well, obviously it's off. I'm blind, not deaf. Always do the door jam. Am I hitting it all? Did I hit it?
You got the door jam,
Yeah, I
yeah.
think I did it. I didn't get any of the panels wet. Always do that. Alright. I know approximately the car is here. The trunk, I'm gonna let the touch. Ready? Yeah. There we go. Perception. I don't know how people live like this, man. Respect. You know what? People can like do things like this. I can barely do things with my eyes open.
All right, check out this foam job. Couple spots missed, but overall, not that bad. Not that bad for being a blind man. So now, just a disclaimer, this is his own car.
Yeah. Normally I even have, I don't know why I'm explaining. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. It's my car. I'm gonna cut myself with rust. So please like and subscribe so maybe I can upgrade this car one day. I'm driving this.
Well, I think you should have to rinse the mitts still, though, kind of.
Okay.
Or else you're just gonna.
I thought I had that for sure. Wait, you said
we gotta wash this mitt after.
That's rinse.
That was great. You're good. You're good.
Oh, what? I didn't even know this is popping out.
I hate that thing.
And this windshield. Wait, I put up this wiper or did you?
You did.
Didn't I put up that wiper?
You put both at the same time.
I didn't even need to do that.
All right. Let's see if you can find the pressure washer hose. It's always where it is.
Easy. Wait.
I'll tell you
Okay,
if you're gonna fall.
I know how close I parked. I got a feel. I'm going this way so I hit my head. I feel
Smart thinking. All right. I'll give it to you. Oh, one sec. Cue the water.
Hey, Matt.
Hey, Matt, say hi.
What is going on? What's up, Matt? Doing a blind wash. Ready? Watch out. Is everyone away?
Hey, everyone's clear, man. Watch your car, man.
Oh, I'm too close. Oh, I'm gonna lose the paint.
All right. That's rinsed?
Yeah.
You're confident in the rinse?
Now you're making me read.
No,
I'm confident.
You're
I feel
confident?
like I
All right. So what's part of our wash process that has nothing to do with the car? What do we got to do?
Squeegee.
Yep. I'm going to give you the squeegee.
Easy.
And then you got to do a quick dry, and then you can see your work after. You know what's funny? Your butt cheeks are still on the roof of this car, dude. Were you here for that, Matt? Yeah. His ass cheeks are literally on there.
It's hurting my ears, man.
And no cheating.
I'm not.
See you peeking up the bottom.
No, I can't.
No, I can't.
Put your fingers up. Put your fingers up. I'll guess how many is up. Knowing you, 2 middle fingers.
Right?
Close. One.
My other hand was occupied with a piece of paper.
What did I just hit?
Your car.
That?
That's your car.
That's your car, bro.
That's not my car.
That's your car.
That's a bucket. My car's right there, isn't it?
Alright. You're doing great, Kate.
Yeah, man, keep it up.
I'll screw you guys.
Do you think you can walk to the drying towels?
Yes.
All right.
From K. Car's parked here. Just tell me if I'm gonna hit something. Nothing's parked there. Yo, I actually think I can do it. So the car's right behind me.
Well, don't forget about the F-150.
Yeah, F-150 is in that corner.
No, like Mike's F-150.
Then we pull it out.
We pulled out the Lincoln.
Oh, okay, now.
So careful.
Is there a hitch?
No hitch. He has no hitch on his truck.
Okay, no, it's still far away from the truck. I'm at the door to walk in, right?
Pretty much.
There should be a light.
I feel like I hit my head.
Oh! Window, I'm right at it. The dry one. Bam. Now I know where my car is without this walk. Keep walking. You're laughing, so I think it's over here more.
Oh, watch your shin, watch your shin.
Yeah, watch the truck, man.
The truck?
The truck I just told you, I don't know how you just avoided it, but you avoided it.
What do you mean the truck? How's
Mike's
the
truck.
here? The truck is over there.
That's my truck.
Okay, now I'm confused. I feel like you guys are messing with me.
Just watch your shin. Alright. Okay, now turn around. You're getting close, but turn around.
This way?
We'll guide you a little bit. Okay, there you go. Go straight, your car's there. Go on.
Why I feel like
A little
touching dick
further.
or something. Oh!
There it is.
There you go.
That's a go-kart. Wow.
Yeah, I said your cart.
Like my stance. The go-kart's there. Oh, found it. Okay, alright.
Is it the right car?
Yeah, it doesn't feel like my car.
Or is that the back of a pickup truck?
No way, dude. I'm like feeling that doesn't. No, that's my car. That ain't my car. I don't have an emblem there. Where the? You moved the go-kart?
I didn't move nothing, man.
So, is this the back of the truck?
You tell me.
This is my car. Oh, it's not. Well, why would there be a window here on the back of the pickup truck? That's my window. I know where I am. That's the deal. Hey, I got you.
I had to throw you off there a little
You
bit.
got me. I'm
I had to throw you off a little bit. That'll be the next one.
What I'm worried about, my car's cutting my fingers with the rust.
Oh, you're good. Just don't go all the way down.
And look, even in between the handle. I did all this.
Not too shabby, man.
I want to see it.
All right. How do you think you did on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm pretty confident. I want to say like an 8.
An 8?
A 9. I think
right.
I did that good of a job.
All right. So take off your blindfold and check out your work. This would have been better if the car was dirty.
Yeah, because you can't really tell.
Hard to tell. But, let's see, we got some snow in there still. We got half the window not dried.
This window's not dry.
Not too shabby.
That window's.
We got some crusties in here. But overall, not bad. Not bad at all.
I promise I could not see anything. That's not bad.
That went a whole lot smoother. Way smoother than I thought it was going to be. That's a quick little fun video.
That's different.
Yeah.
It's only more entertaining.
Hopefully you enjoyed this little challenge. Just, yeah, there's still a lot of wet. But
Yeah, there's-
overall, not bad. And just a disclaimer, this is his car. We
Yeah.
wouldn't do this with a customer's car unless you guys let us. But if you can come up with a funny, cool challenge that's easy to do and that's not going to cost $1 million because we're not whistling diesel,
Yeah.
hit us up, drop a comment below. And I think that's it for this.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down because we don't really care.
Remember, keep it clean. Peace.